Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Konrad K. Sama Rengkat UHE Satoshi Suzuki Ambassador Kari Japan sa India haka absantalik unai wing Raja Arpuway kilapli paiba ya katamasa cherry blossom Hanan Polok Shillong. Yau Ambassador lawan mansalalang nakakurim bat kakenhun na Japan katamasa Shillong literary haka sien baningkong bat kabadairu kabenta jong katamasa cherry blossom ru lapli paiba haka ni kasngi. Habakaran kumkongsan Konrad K. Sangma walaupun pau ke jingkemen belala ban penlong biang ya katamasa cherry blossom mentau senam bat ongru baka sorkar kakwa ban peteng manus nem ban kentil ya karwai kasiau kaput ketem bat kapen i ya kariti dustur.
This is a perfect backdrop for this kind of a festival, and we really hope that in the coming years this should become a calendar event, an annual event for writers and authors from different parts of the country as well as the world. And of course we will try our best to improve on it every year, make it more inclusive and more innovative as we go along. So once again, I congratulate the team that has been working very hard in a very short span of time to make this happen. The other side, of course, of having a festival like this is what we have really been trying to do, which is to really promote different aspects of music, of art, of culture, and for the authors, this literary festival. And we strongly feel that the youth, especially of our state and a region of the Northeast, has a huge bank of talent that they have. And it's just about giving them an opportunity to come together, to showcase their talent, and also give them an opportunity to learn from others and really create that excitement among the different artists and writers and authors. And that's why this particular event is part of the entire vision and goal to really showcase this talent of the youth that we have. And we strongly feel that more of these programs should happen. In the coming months, you'll be happy to know that we will be having and engaging with the musicians of our state for the first time in a very constructive manner, where the government plans to have different kind of music events throughout the next 3-4 months and have different locations where music will be played by our own artists through the support of the government, of course, and throughout Shillong city and cities like Tura and some other locations. We will have our local artists. So some of them will be in Watts Lake out here, some may be in Police Bazaar area, similarly in other locations, maybe in Cherrapunji side, Sora side. So we plan to engage with the artists and the musicians of our state and allow them the platform, give them the financial support, allow them to perform, allow the people to enjoy it, and at the same time to engage with these artists so that they feel that this could be an area which they could really prosper in one way and look at it even as a career option.
Satoshi Suzuki ulong baka tamasa chiri bulusam kan penskam ya kejede hapdeng kari India bat Japan. Ulong baka Thai North East kadon hakajaka kabakongsan bat long padeng bah kabolong usabi ya ka Freedom and Open Indo-Pacific Vision kari Japan. Kiwei ki braidon lang hakajing pli ya kani ka tamasa ki kentup ya ka Chief Secretary ka Kong Rebecca Susyang, Secretary ka NEC K Moses Chalai, Dr. Vijay Kumar, Commissioner and Secretary Ketra Tourism ke Sarkar Jalal lemat kiwi pat ki he Sarkar.
I feel very gracious. I'm really grateful for the kind invitation of Honorable Chief Minister to me and my wife, and I really felt the strong bond between our countries, India, Japan, as well as Japan and Northeast. And as I mentioned in my remarks, Japan is committed to the socio-economic development of this region, and we will work together. Also, we are very interested in increasing people-to-people exchanges, particularly youth. So I really expect that young people from Meghalaya will come and see what's going on in Japan.